All right, this is how I like to play Bar Sinister. Now you can already tell I like Venom, and I like feeding Venom a little bit first, so I can get as much points out of him. If this dude had any brains, he would have used that magic on Bar Sinister, because this is gonna be his undoing. So you see they're eating each other, all the Venoms, and that's it. He filled up Bar Sinister. You can't do anything there. Necrotia, anything he puts on there is gonna be depowered a little bit, so by like -2. So he's not even playing nothing there. But I'm conquering that lane, like I'm conquering that territory. So let him do his thing. Bishop gets powered up for nothing. Now I could do like I usually, because there is a turn 7. This I would do on turn 6 on the final turn, but instead I chose to do it and empower my null. So it's gonna be a while here. So it's just gonna fast forward for you while he does all this. You know, you can see I'll power up to like something like 300 or some shit. There you go, 484 on one, 286 on the other. Plays Nocturne, powers up Bishop for nothing, and then it does that Sage. Yeah, that's it. Now we got one more turn left. He could undo all of this shit, like moving Nocturne and maybe playing Shang-Chi on there, but he don't do it. Let's see what he does here. He moves Nocturne, okay. Got my null there. I did this just for fun, like multiply my null. It does Red Guardian. I hate Red Guardian usually here. He doesn't do enough, so I'm happy to see him. And then he played leader, but what the fuck he do leader for? Like, there's no, no space, and that's how you get a victory.